Welcome to the Trispective Ooma Office video series. We're going to talk about how to use the Intercom feature. Think of the Intercom feature as I want to do a one-to-one page to another phone. That person on the other end does not have to pick up the phone. It will come right over their speakerphone, and then they can actually talk to that person without even having to pick up the handset. So we're going to simulate how to do that. This phone, we actually programmed a button. This is extension 1001. This is 1002 on your right. And we have so we have Joy, who's actually 1002, programmed up as an intercom. So basically how you do that is we would normally program a button for this. Basically simply press intercom for Joy, which is now paging or using a direct intercom key over to extension 1002. So we'll go ahead and hang that up. But you notice that it automatically came over the speakerphone of 1002. Now let's say 1002 was also doing some filing work as an example. They actually can talk back without having to lift up that handset. So a great feature of the Ooma Office platform called the Intercom feature. If you have any questions on its use, feel free to give us a call, 888-825-2001.